running AI models on the mobile device. First, we'll use Face ID as the motivated examples. Then we're going to looking at the challenges in this problem, and then we're looking at the SwissNet, one of the successful examples of running AI models on the mobile device. And we're going to learn how to deploy these models using Caffe2. In this video, we're going to look at AI on the mobile device using Face ID. In this video, we hope to motivate you to learn how to run AI models on the mobile device. If you think about unlocking your phone with password, you can easily forget the password. And also, it's difficult to type the password. For example, after you're swimming, it can be stolen by someone who watch from your shoulders when you type on your phone, and then they might unlock your phone after that. Apple launched a new product called Face ID, which allows you to unlock your phone through your face. And this provides a unique experience to solve the problems of unlocking the phone. This is examples of running AI models on the mobile device. If you think about the wallet, you can easily forget it. You might also lose the wallet. Every time you go to the store, you need to pull your credit cards, and then you need to type the password in some cases. People might steal your credit card information and even your password when you're typing. And the other annoying thing is that a lot of the stores, they don't recognize you every time you go there. You have to carry some loyalty card and type your phone numbers every time you go there. And at the same time, everyone would carry a mobile phone as well as a wallet. If all a wallet does is to provide some identification information so that the cashier at the store can recognize you, can we replace the wallet with a smartphone? In China, a KFC just did that. People can now go to the KFC and make payment using Face ID, and then it basically activates the mobile wallets and also activate the loyalty card. This is another clear example of running AI models on a mobile device. Unlocking mobile phone using password could be difficult and dangerous. Advanced face identification algorithms now can run on the mobile device at a very high accuracy. The Face ID technologies allow us to unlock our phone and make payment using most natural way, showing up your face. And this is the clear examples of showing if you put AI on the mobile device, what could change, what kind of problems they can solve.